Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This box here, the dented here, this is a plain box. This is a USB 3.0 switch selector. So here it is. You have a micro USB here, USB A to A, looks like USB 3.0. The same thing here. It's to connect to two computers at once. So I'm going to connect to my laptop and my desktop. We have the instructions here. We have the switch itself here. So we have PC1, PC2. Here's the DC. I guess you need this one to power it. And you just click it, so you switch, and you can use these 4 ports for either or. So you connect your your printer, your keyboard, and then when you want to switch to the other computer, just click on the button and it should switch. And that's it. That is the USB 3.0 switch. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.